You know, I think almost every single one of us can remember where we were and what we were doing when that mountain erupted. Do you guys remember that?
Mm-hmm.
I remember that. I was in San Diego.
We had dust as far as Washington, D.C. on the cars.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, they were very lucky. Okay, so our weather pattern has been a little bit unsettled this weekend. We had some breezy conditions. We had some scattered showers here and there. We had a couple of isolated thunderstorms here and there as well yesterday. And now what we're seeing today is mostly cloudy skies, and so far it has been dry. I did pick up a couple of sprinkles on my windshield on and off throughout the day today, and this is just the way the weather pattern is going to be. We may see some occasional bands of rain. We may see an isolated thunderstorm here and there, but pretty much bank on what we have seen is what we're going to continue to get at least through the end of the week. Taking a look at the Doppler radar right now as it scans around, a couple of isolated showers up here to the northwest of Star, a couple of little isolated showers around Lake Lowell, but you can see most of the showers right now and isolated thunderstorm activity is concentrated over the higher elevations of the mountains. Now, does that mean that we won't see any of that activity working its way into the Treasure Valley? No, I think again, the potential is certainly there. The temperature readings outside right now, it's 68 degrees in Boise, 70 degrees right now in Ontario, 72 degrees in Mountain Home, and Twin Falls is starting to get a little thunderstorm activity, and their temperatures right now have cooled off to 65 degrees. On our satellite imagery, what we're seeing is the same thing that we have seen over the weekend. An area of low pressure has once again moved into the Great Basin. The counterclockwise rotation of that low is sending a little surge of moisture from the south to the north. Primary targets will continue to be the states of Nevada and also Utah. Utah has really been getting walloped a lot this spring so far. But there you can see some of that next surge of moisture that's trying to work its way from the southeast to the northwest. Here's what the computer models are projecting will be the scenario through the day tomorrow. This is right around 8 o'clock in the morning. There you can see mostly cloudy skies around the Treasure Valley. Look at this little surge of moisture that the models are picking up on. Let's see what that does right around the noon hour. So as I advance this, here it goes right around noon. You can see some of these showers trying to work their way into the Treasure Valley. I certainly think the mountains are going to be seeing scattered showers and the potential for thunderstorms on again, off again through much of the day. But it looks like the best chance of showers for us is probably going to be right around lunch hour. And then by tomorrow evening, we can end up seeing some breaks in the clouds with more showers all around the Treasure Valley. This scenario is pretty much going to be the case through the end of the week, and this is the reason why. Again, forecast models projecting that a persistent trough of low pressure is going to be favoring much of the western United States, which will allow those storms to keep rolling in, primarily affecting the Great Basin, but this pattern is going to stick around through the week, which means occasional showers with the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm. You know, normally I like to pride myself on my ability to pinpoint when the showers will begin and when they will end, but with this kind of a scenario, it's almost impossible to do that. So occasional showers in the forecast tomorrow. Then there you can see sun with some occasional showers in the forecast through Friday, maybe even into Saturday, although there are some hints that the atmosphere is going to try and dry out a little bit more on Saturday and Sunday. Same scenario for the mountains, only it's going to be wetter in the mountains with showers and storms likely, and then occasional showers on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with drier conditions also expected for the mountains Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So it's going to be a toss of the dice at this point, and it kind of gets a little frustrating for someone who's a meteorologist who tries to pinpoint exactly when the shower activity is going to happen. But with this scenario, it's tough. It's tough.
Kind of seems like we're on the fence. Every day we're just kind of there.
Right, exactly.
Could go either way.
It could go either way, exactly.
All right. Thank you.